outrage over the remarks, the Karnataka Deputy CM has remained defiant as he came out stating that his remarks were made casually and they were misquoted deliberately by the BJP.
See, I am a sensible senior politician than Mr. Nadda. I have been in the assembly last 36 years. I have a basic common sense. I have not said that there will be any. I have said casually there will be so many changes after various judgments. Whatever reservation has been given as per the quota of the backward class has been given. I have not said that we are going to change the constitution or not that. Whatever they are quoting is wrong. They are miscarrying it. I am categorically telling that we are a national party. We know what is the constitution, how constitution is built. It is our party. We have brought the constitution to this country, and they are misguiding. I will take a breach of privilege on this. I will fight out a case. They are misquoting me. I have not quoted out anything on this. Why should I tell? I have said casually that there are so many places when judgments come. Judgments come on the basis of judgment. Some constitution have been changed. That's all. I have not referred to this issue. This is the issue. If they want to take my name, if they want to feel happy with taking my name everywhere, let them do whatever they want.
Mr. Kiran Rijiju, Union Minister says, Mr. Kiran,
Huh?
misquoting media or BJP?
Media is not misquoting. It is BJP misquoting. Where is media good? They have, you see the record. I just saw the record just right now after looking at.
Sir, Amit Malviya has specifically tweeted on this, sir.
No, let see, they are political people. They try to misguide the country itself. Not only the BJP always try to misguide the country. Where I have said that I am going to change the constitution.
Do you think they are peddling fake news, sir?
See, they are very famous on peddling fake news like this. Because they know that every day the graph is dipping. So I will not leave at this stage.
On record, will you just say this 4% reservation is based on what? One for record sake.
See, this is on record, I am telling you, on the basis of the backward class. Backward class, what is in my state, on that basis, my government has taken a call. That's all. I know that will go to the court. I said that let us see, let us wait for the court in so many cases, on so many states. It may be Maharashtra, it may be Haryana, or many states on this type of reservation. People have gone to the court and courts have given various judgments. That is why I said after various judgments, the constitutions will have to have changed earlier. I am not I am also a sensible man with well experience in this legislative system.
Sir, Mr. Sambit Patra have said that this is the idea of Congress and the Rahul Gandhi family and Sonia Gandhi family.
If they doesn't remind, if they doesn't take the name of Gandhi family, they will not get sleep at all. They will not get sleep at all. So all rubbish, all nonsense. I would like to again tell that this is all a political conspiracy against our party and me.
Will you take it legally?
Definitely,
One second, will you take it legally?
I will definitely have to take it legally. It is my bound duty, but the matter is in the parliament. So parliament, they will have a different protection on the part.
Imran is with us. Imran, good afternoon. The matter that was taken up mainly in the Karnataka Assembly, we saw venerable BJP MLAs also being suspended. However, this move and this entire issue has also resonated in the parliament as well. We saw the kind of hangama and also the voices that was raised on part of the treasury benches saying that this is nothing but an illegal move, goes beyond when it comes to the ethos of the constitution, especially speaking of the amending of reservation for a certain community is something which is completely illegal. However, here is DK Shivkumar saying that his comment was a casual one and he will take a legal recourse over it.
Well, absolutely. A clarification coming from the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, who is in the storm of controversy now over the reservation issue. When he was asked about how they're going to defend the reservation issue given to the Muslims under 2B category in a conclave, he went on to say that they will look into it and they will let the issue come up in the court, he will look into it. There have been many judgments before. There are many amendments to the constitution. We will also see how it plans out in the court. Over this particular comment of his has now become a big political controversy where BJP is targeting, saying that they're trying to change constitution for the sake of Muslims. D.K. Shivakumar gives a clarification that it's a big conspiracy. In fact, the BJP is twisting his words, and he will take a legal recourse for the people who are slandering him is what and his party is what D.K. Shivakumar said today in the morning.
All right. So over the issue as far as when it comes to the House that has been adjourned till 2 p.m., but the BJP seems to be now seeking answers from the Congress party top brass. As Imran continues to be with us, we speak of how just right now Ravi Shankar Prasad, the former Union Minister, was also taking questions on the BJP top brass, lambasting the Congress over D.K. Shivakumar's remarks, saying that if they were casually made defense.
Congress is the biggest threat to the Indian Constitution, and not just now, from time immemorial. Nehruji trampled upon the Constitution when he brought First Amendment. Indira ji trampled upon Constitution when she imposed emergency. Now also they are in the same mood. When D.K. Shivakumar says that to support the illegal unconstitutional Muslim reservation in government contracts, which is Ambedkar Virodhi, which is Samvidhan Virodhi, they will go and change the Constitution. These are the people who are making the agenda before elections, before Lok Sabha, about Samvidhan Bachao and Samvidhan will be changed. Now look who is actually doing Samvidhan Badlo and who is trying to change the Constitution. This is anti-Ambedkar, it is anti-reservation.
कांग्रेस पार्टी ने ये स्पष्ट कर दिया है, राहुल गांधी ने, कि ये बाबा साहेब भीमराव अंबेडकर के संविधान में विश्वास नहीं रखते और धर्म के आधार पर मुसलमानों को आरक्षण देने के लिए बाबा साहेब भीमराव अंबेडकर का संविधान तक बदलना चाहते हैं। इससे यही स्पष्ट है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी एक मॉडर्न मुस्लिम लीग वाली पार्टी है। एक तरफ सनातन को डेंगू, मलेरिया, एड्स कहते हैं और दूसरी तरफ सरकारी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में मुसलमानों को रिजर्वेशन देने के लिए संविधान तक बदलने की बात करते हैं। इनके आदर्श औरंगजेब है, बाबर है, इनके आदर्श बाबा साहेब भीमराव अंबेडकर नहीं है। हम इसका कड़ा विरोध करेंगे, इस एंटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मॉडर्न मुस्लिम लीग कांग्रेस पार्टी।
See, as far as Mr. D.K. Shivkumar's statement is concerned, it is not just Mr. D.K. Shivkumar's statement, it's a statement of the Congress party. Mr. D.K. Shivkumar is one of the front runners of the Congress party, and when he categorically states that as far as Muslim reservation is concerned, yes, he agrees that it may not stand the test of legality, and so for that purpose, if a constitutional amendment is required, there would probably be a time in the future, though he is daydreaming, but there would probably be a time in the future when Congress in power in the center will change the constitution of this country, will amend the constitution of this country to see to it that this is given legal protection, meaning that the Congress party's efforts to divide this country on the line of religion, even if the constitution is to be distorted.
कम्युनल कोटा हो और चाहे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में कोटा हो, इन सारी चीज़ों को देखने के बाद दिखाई पड़ रहा है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किलर जैसी की भूमिका में आ गई है। आज कांग्रेस का जो इतिहास रहा है संविधान के साथ की धज्जियां उड़ाने का, उसको फिर से दोहरा रही है। एक हाथ में आप संविधान लेकर के जो है वो सियासत कर रहे हैं और उनको लगता है कि ये सारी चीजें हम करके कोई बहुत बड़ा जो है वो देश के साथ भला कर रहे हैं। ये समझ लें कि इस तरह की उनकी धूर्ततापूर्ण धुन उनको बुरी तरह से धूल धूसित कर। देखिए, ये अपीजमेंट की बात नहीं है। क्या है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी के दिल और दिमाग में जो है वो इस तरह का छल, इस तरह का कम्युनल छल, सांप्रदायिक छल भरा पड़ा है।
Now